Lovely. And the gold winner in the public vote for the construction champion is Michael Breary.
The gold winner is JJ Rattigan. And the gold winner is Windsor Waste Management.
The gold winner for the JJ Rattigan Specialist Contractor of the Year award goes to TMJ Interior. Say it again, gold winner goes to Charles Morton.
And the gold winner for the Bidder Contract of the Year, contract value 5 million, is 11 Miller. Quantity Surveyor of the Year goes to Nova Consultant.
And the gold winner for the Project of the Year, 10 million to 25 million, is Helix CMS. And the gold winner of the Architectural Practice of the Year goes to LOM Architecture and Design.
And the gold winner for Innovation of the Year, C Limited.
And the gold winner is
in Project Construction Manager of the Year is Claudia Dickens. And the gold winner in the Women in Construction Award for this year is Ashi Sahu.
The gold winner for the Construction Software Award is the Access Group. And the gold winner for the Contractor of the Year, contract value over £5 million, is C. Spencer.
The gold winner for the Project of the Year award, Rybridge Construction.
And the gold winner,
Capital Sky.
The gold winner for Residential Developer of the Year is Foreman Homes.
So, Consultancy of the Year, Gold Award is Ridge Partners.
and the gold winner, Restoration Project of the Year, goes to Vinci Facilities Building Solutions.
The gold winner in the Community Engagement Award goes to Equans UK and Ireland. And the gold winner in the Sustainability Award goes to Littlewood Group. The overall winner is Foreman Homes.